Aries, 7th November 2024. Love. Today brings a fresh perspective on love. Whether single or partnered, take a moment to reflect on patterns in your romantic life, especially those that may be limiting your happiness. If you are in a relationship, consider how you and your partner can grow together. Single Aries, use today to clarify what kind of partner you are looking for moving forward. Career. Today is a day for strategy and planning rather than action. Look at the big picture of where you are headed in your career and think about the steps needed to reach your goals. Writing down specific, achievable actions will make you feel empowered and ready to tackle your ambitions. Overall well-being, balance is essential, so avoid spreading yourself too thin. Focus on a few priorities and give yourself permission to say no to non-essentials. This focus will keep your energy steady and prevent burnout. Advice: embrace introspection. Reflection on your love life and career goals will reveal what needs to shift to bring in fresh energy and fulfillment. Taurus, 7th November 2024. Love. Today is ideal for nurturing your relationship by spending quality time together. Plan a cozy evening at home or do something together that brings you both joy. Single Taurus, consider reaching out to someone you've been interested in, as this is a favorable day for meaningful connections. Career. Focus on long-term planning rather than short-term achievements. By setting clear goals, you'll feel more grounded and prepared for future challenges. Today is also a good time to assess any financial matters related to work, so be mindful of budgets and expenses. Overall well-being, engage in a mindful activity, like cooking a nourishing meal or organizing your space. These simple acts will help you feel more grounded and present. Advice: take a moment to reflect on your long-term goals in both love and career. Nurturing your vision today will give you clarity and motivation. Gemini, 7th November 2024. Love. Relationships may require extra patience today, as minor misunderstandings could arise. Avoid jumping to conclusions and focus on clear communication. If single, you may feel more introspective and prefer to spend time in quiet reflection. Career. Today's energy is best suited for tying up loose ends. Focus on completing tasks rather than starting new projects. Attention to detail will prevent small mistakes from becoming bigger issues down the line, so review your work carefully. Overall well-being, taking time to organize and declutter your space can help clear your mind. A sense of order will bring you mental clarity and peace. Advice: take things slowly and focus on the details. Patience and organization will keep you on track and prevent unnecessary stress. Cancer, 7th November 2024. Love. Today's energy is best suited for nurturing friendships and family connections. Reach out to loved ones and spend quality time with them. If partnered, share a relaxed evening without any pressure to make it perfect. Career. Today is ideal for focusing on tasks that require attention to detail. You'll find satisfaction in completing work that has been on the back burner. Don't be afraid to ask for feedback to improve the quality of your work. Overall well-being, a slower pace will keep you balanced. Take time to nourish yourself with good food and give your body the rest it needs to stay grounded. Advice: prioritize connections with family and close friends. Focusing on familiar comforts will recharge your spirit and support your overall well-being. Leo, 7th November 2024. Love, communication is key today. Have open, honest conversations with your partner or those close to you. If there have been misunderstandings, today's energy supports finding resolution and building trust. Career, collaboration is favored, so engage with colleagues or friends who can offer fresh perspectives. Consider working on a team project, as shared efforts will bring rewarding results and strengthen connections. Overall well-being, socializing, and connecting with others will uplift your spirits. Balance work with time spent enjoying the company of friends or family. Advice: don't be afraid to reach out to others for support. Strong communication will deepen bonds and lead to satisfying achievements. Virgo, 7th November 2024. Love, communication is especially meaningful today. Open up about your feelings and listen intently to your partner's perspective. Single Virgos might find that a heartfelt conversation leads to a surprising connection. Career, a project may require extra focus, so prioritize staying organized. Your ability to pay attention to small details will ensure things run smoothly. Overall well-being, balance is key. Take short breaks to avoid burnout, as a steady pace will help you maintain productivity. Advice: open communication is your ally. Express yourself clearly and don't hesitate to reach out for support or advice. Libra, 7th November 2024. Love, balance is key in your love life today. Find time to reflect on how much you are giving and receiving in relationships. Making sure there's an equal flow will improve harmony and satisfaction. Career, a project may demand attention to detail. Your diplomatic skills will be invaluable when dealing with differing opinions among colleagues. Overall well-being, center yourself through activities that promote inner peace, such as meditation or a nature walk. Balance in your environment will help you stay calm and focused. Advice: strive for balance in your interactions and tasks. Embrace calmness to achieve inner harmony. Scorpio, 7th November 2024. Love, today may bring the need for introspection. Take some time to evaluate your relationships and consider if any adjustments are needed for balance. A heart-to-heart conversation with your partner could resolve any lingering issues. Career, practical tasks demand your attention. You may find that organizing or planning brings a sense of accomplishment and clarity to ongoing projects. Overall well-being, focus on grounding yourself. A routine that provides structure will give you peace of mind and stability. Advice: use today as a day for self-reflection and organization. Prioritize stability and let it guide your actions. Sagittarius, 7th November 2024. Love, today brings an opportunity to clear the air in your relationship. Honest discussions about any lingering doubts or miscommunications will lead to a deeper understanding. Singles should consider reflecting on past relationships to gain clarity on what they truly desire. Career, focus on planning and strategizing for upcoming projects. Taking time to organize your thoughts and ideas will set you up for success in the days ahead. Overall well-being, ensure you are taking care of your physical health. Consider incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your diet to boost your energy levels. Advice: be open to constructive feedback from loved ones and colleagues. It can provide valuable insights that help you move forward positively. Capricorn, 7th November 2024. Love. You may feel the urge to have deeper conversations about your future with your partner. Sharing your dreams can lead to greater intimacy. Singles should reflect on what they truly desire in a partner, aligning their actions with their values. Career today calls for teamwork. Collaborating with others can enhance creativity and lead to successful outcomes. Your ability to remain grounded will help keep the team focused on their goals. Overall well-being, practice mindfulness to stay centered. Simple breathing exercises can reduce stress and enhance your overall well-being. Advice: engage in open dialogue with those close to you. Vulnerability can strengthen relationships and promote understanding. Aquarius, 7th November 2024. Love. A sense of adventure may lead you to new romantic experiences today. If you are in a relationship, try to explore a new activity together. For singles, don't hesitate to put yourself out there, your charm is heightened. Career, you may receive an exciting opportunity at work today. Embrace it, but be sure to weigh your options carefully before making a decision. Your creativity will help you stand out in any professional setting. Overall well-being, engage in activities that promote relaxation, such as meditation or a quiet evening at home. Allow yourself time to recharge. Advice: stay open to new experiences. They can lead to unexpected growth in both love and career. Pisces, 7th November 2024. Love. Today brings the potential for healing and reconciliation. If there have been misunderstandings in your relationship, this is a favorable day for discussing them openly. Singles should be cautious about rushing into new relationships. Take your time to know someone. Career, you might encounter unexpected challenges at work. Rather than feeling overwhelmed, look for solutions by collaborating with colleagues. Your team spirit will help you navigate any obstacles. Overall well-being, spend time outdoors to recharge your energy. Nature can be a great source of inspiration and peace for you today. Advice: practice patience, both with yourself and others. Remember, growth often comes through challenges.